Welcome everyone. In this lesson, we are going to look at capital budgets. A capital budget is a plan for spending on long-term assets. These include things like land, buildings, machinery, and equipment. Unlike the day-to-day operating budget, capital budgets use capital funds to make major investments that are essential for business growth and continuity. Capital budgets. An introduction. A capital budget helps a business plan for large and important purchases that will last for many years. It covers things like office buildings, warehouses, forklifts, trucks, or excavators. These items are known as non-current assets because they are used over a long time. Every workplace will eventually need to spend money on assets like these to keep growing and meeting customer needs. Non-current assets. Examples. Examples of non-current assets include an office building, a warehouse or factory, forklifts and trucks, or large construction equipment such as excavators. These are not items that a business buys every day. Instead, they are expensive resources that support the workplace for many years and are usually purchased through careful long-term planning. Purpose of a capital budget. The purpose of a capital budget is to identify the large and expensive items that a business will need. It supports business growth, relocation, or expansion, and it ensures that old or outdated equipment is replaced when necessary. A capital budget is also supported by a business case, which explains the benefits of the purchase. For example, the business case may show how a new machine improves efficiency or how relocating a warehouse brings the business closer to its customers. What does a capital expenditure budget look like? A capital expenditure budget is usually presented in a simple table that shows the assets being purchased, the timing, and the cost. For example, in one budget, the business planned to upgrade weighing machinery in Q2 at a cost of $4,000 and to purchase new packing machinery in the same quarter for $6,000. The total capital expenditure for the year was therefore $10,000. This kind of budget provides a clear overview of when and where the business will spend its money. Where do the figures come from? The figures in a capital budget come from the business plan. Management reviews anticipated sales and production levels to decide which assets need to be upgraded or purchased. In the example, management determined that an upgrade to weighing machinery costing $4,000 and new packaging machinery costing $6,000 were both required. Together, these items made up the $10,000 total in the capital expenditure budget. These figures are based on careful planning to make sure the business can meet future needs. In conclusion, the capital budget is a key tool for planning the purchase of long-term assets. It covers major items like buildings and machinery, ensures outdated equipment is replaced, and supports the growth and sustainability of the business. By linking the budget to the business plan, managers can make informed decisions about where and when to invest. Thank you for joining this session, and I hope you now have a clear understanding of how capital budgets are prepared and why they are important.